the negative, and we are connecting it to the negative of this LED, guys. So guys, as you can see, our project has been completed. Very simple project, guys. The negative of the battery was connected to the negative of this LED, and this is the positive from the battery to the switch and to the positive of this LED, guys. So we are going to test it now and see how this thing is working. So guys, as you can see, it is working perfectly fine. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.